conversion, an ecological conversion. So when we change, and I think we can, if we really decide, we can be ecological.
So that is how good the briquettes are, and we are getting them from the waste that we have in our homes.
It has been a workshop of really bringing us to awareness of the impact of not managing the waste. They have taken us through the process of carbonization, which we were doing here, creating biochar, and then they have taken us through the process of making briquettes. The participants are all very, very grateful, and each one is really giving thanks. We have become much more aware of how rubbish can be turned into something useful, something that can benefit us for the environment, but also economically.
Summit Green Company has partnered with St. Daniel's Retreat Center to see that the church communities, church people, church leaders get more concerned in conserving the environment. First of all, we look at the briquette project as one of the #1 leading project in terms of conserving the environment. Due to the number of facts and impact, they are cheaper than normal charcoal. They conserve the environment because we all know that briquettes don't produce smoke. And lastly, they burn longer than normal charcoal. Yes, apart from looking at that, we are looking at also conserving the environment at a bigger extent, where we look at conservation, hygiene and sanitation. The moment people turn to briquette production, they will start to recycle organic waste, and in the process they will do hygiene and sanitation process. Secondly, we shall look at fighting against deforestation. The more people turn to briquettes, it means the rate of cutting down trees for firewood and charcoal will reduce. And lastly, look at empowering youth and women in different communities. Apart from empowering the church members, we're also looking at empowering different communities around the world, around Uganda, around the country at large. So that is how beautiful the briquette project is.